Yeah, I think some common mistakes are, it's the elephant in the room is wanting the cheapest price possible and expecting the best quality. It's just as silly as it sounds when we switch into consumer mode, and especially when we're trying to do things in a wise way, a financially responsible way. There's some part of our brain that kind of clicks on and clicks off, and usually they're not working in conjunction with each other. I know that just is in me being a consumer and purchasing things is I want to spend as little as possible, but man, I better get the best quality I can get. And it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way with cars, with guns, with windows. I mean, it just, anything you purchase. So I think, having realistic expectations is if I want the best of the best, if I want a no, hassle experience, if I want a no regrets experience, it's going to cost a little bit more. And if you choose to pay a little bit less, which may be the best option, then you should go into that with realistic expectations that you're probably going to have to sacrifice in one or multiple ways for paying that lower price that looks good on paper, but there is a reason it's a lower price. So I think that's a big thing in terms of expectation, is going into it with a mindset of, I am, the law stands the test of time. I am going to get what I pay for in both cases.